Hey love, it's Mag back again today. In honor of Haitian Heritage Month, I collab with Lise in the kitchen to bring you guys this yummy recipe. If you want to see how to make it, stay tuned. Liz used griot, which is pork, in her recipe, but for those of you who do not eat pork like myself, I will go ahead and show you how to make it with chicken. So in this clip, I am simply slicing down my chicken. You guys can also dice them if you want. For the plantains or banana purees, you simply have to peel them, slice them up, and fry them. That's the first step. And as you can see, you guys, I was making Magdah and patio empanadas, but I'm only showing you guys this recipe for the plantains and chicken. For the chicken, I sliced up some onions, some peppers. I will also be using some Maggi, some powdered seasonings like cayenne pepper, allspice, garlic powder. You guys can use whatever you have, and you cannot forget the Haitian épices, you guys. I've already mixed mine with some lemon juice, some lime juice, so I'll be using all that to marinate the chicken. In this clip, I am simply mixing everything together so I can marinate the chicken and spice it up. Nan clip sa ma monte nou la, mwen jist ap mette tout bagay ou nan vyen nan. Ma mette épices, Maggi, tout sa bezon pou kapap ki yon bon go. And also, if I didn't already mention that, after I did slice up the chicken, I washed it with vinegar and some lemon juice or lime juice. Si mpan ti sa deja, mwen vle fè nou konen ki apre mwen te koupe chicken nan mwen te lave li avèk citron et vinaigre. Most of you ladies already know how to make some fried plantains or tostones if you're Hispanic, so I've already flattened them up and I have my salt water and we're just going to fry them up. So I've added the peppers and the spices to the chicken. I'm just making sure that everything tastes good and come out right. Mesdames, nous kon go bouche nou, make sure que chicken nan gou, make sure nou pa bezon ti Maggi anko. Mwen konen nou kon sa ki bon. And once I'm done with all that, I'm just going to let it simmer down a little bit and I'll be plating. It's all done, you guys. We did it. Don't forget to check out this video. I was missing some things, but it still came out good, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share. Probably if not capable to subscribe to the channel. So thank you so much for watching and check out my latest video, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.